Hello everyone, my name is Sanket and today we are going to discuss about a function called Goldbach's conjecture. So uh, this code is an implementation of Goldbach's conjecture, which states that every even integer greater than 2 can be expressed as the sum of two prime numbers. So first let's run our code. So here you can see if a number is 98, then it is sum of 19 plus 79. Both the numbers are prime. So it will print the result for all the numbers between 4 to 100, and it will print the expression and show the sum of two prime numbers of that respective number. So if we talk about the main iterative function of this program, so here is our main loop where we are iterating numbers from 4 to 100, and we are passing each number to a function called Goldbach's conjecture, and then this function returns and prints the expression representing the sum of two prime numbers. And this is done with the help of a function called isPrime. So this function will check if a number is prime or not. So this function takes an integer n as input and returns true if n is a prime number and returns false if n is not prime number. It first checks if n is less than or equal to 1. So if it returns false, because prime numbers must be greater than 1. After that, it iterates through numbers from 2 to the square root of n. We are using square root here because it's an efficient method to calculate the prime numbers. If n is divisible by any of these numbers, then it will return false, indicating that n is not a prime number. And if the number is divisible, not divisible by these numbers, then it will return true, indicating that this is a prime number. And in the function Goldbach's conjecture, we will discuss about this loop. This is basically a nested loop for this primary loop. So in this function, this will take an even integer num as input and attempts to find two prime numbers that sum up to num. It iterates through the numbers from 2 to num minus 1, and it checks if both are prime numbers using isPrime function. It finds such prime numbers and it prints expression representing the sum of two prime equal to num. So I hope this explanation helps you understanding this code.